Hello, happy yogis! Wow!
Let's begin! Let's be a cat. Round your back like a sleepy kitty. Stand tall like a strong tree. Keep your balance and reach for the sky. Let's be a big camel. Open your chest and look up. Stand tall like a strong mountain. Keep your body straight and strong. Let's be a little frog. Squat down and stay balanced. Shh! Be a strong cobra. Lift your chest and stretch. Sit like a calm little Buddha. Stretch your legs up like a tall candle. Make a rainbow with your body. Let's make a bow shape. Oh no, the waves are coming! Bring your legs over your head like a plow. Bend your neck and sit like on a chair. Lift your body and be a strong crab walking on the beach. Let's stretch like a monkey in the jungle. Let's be a strong dolphin. Keep your body straight and bounce like a dolphin in the ocean. Curl up like a little eraser.